Hello everybody, my name is Abhini Dhara and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rainbow. How? So the things which you will need to make this rainbow are, first of all you will need a mirror which you need to submerge it in a pot which is filled with water at the brim. And what else you need is a mobile phone for our flashlight. Now let's see how this is work. Now let's see how this works. Now if we take our phone and we turn on our flashlight and I turn off the lights, and now what I do is I shine the flashlight on the mirror which is inside the pot filled with water. You see that it is forming a very beautiful and a graceful rainbow. And now if I change the angle of my torch down below, you see that the rainbow disappears. And if I change my angle above, you see that the rainbow disappears again. But now if I change it to the angle where the rainbow was appearing, the rainbow appears again. But in this video I am going to tell you about how we can see the rainbow, and in the next experiment I am going to talk about why does the rainbow disappear if we change the angle of the light. Now what I'm going to tell you is how can we actually see the rainbow. So what happens is, suppose we have a water droplet right here and the light of the sun or the light of my torch is going there, and after that it is refracting and then some part of it is reflecting again. Now in this process some of the light is taken away, like in this reflection from this side, then after this some part of it is transmitted, and then here again some part of it is reflected again. But the end product after these reflection and refraction which comes into our eyes is the rainbow which we see. Now you might be wondering, in nature rainbows occur when water droplet reflect light or the sunlight. But in my case where I made a rainbow, why do I need a mirror to show that the reflecting rainbow? So what happens is that in nature, because of the gravity, because the water in a container has a different gravity and the water in the nature has different gravity. So because of that, what happens is that in nature, because of the gravity and surface tension of the water inside is made so smooth that it can reflect light easily. So that is why in my case, I needed a mirror to reflect this rainbow which we are seeing at the end. And I also showed in the video that when I turn my torch down like this or even up like this, the rainbow disappears. So why is that? Now for that answer I am going to explain it in my next experiment. Till then, thank you for watching. And did you know that when the white light is entering the water droplet, it is entering in the form, not in the form of Vibgyor, but opposite of Vibgyor, which means red will be at the top and the violet will be at the bottom. But after reflection, the white light comes at the form of Vibgyor after the reflection. For watching my experiment.